Welcome to FlashSystem.ai. Today we'll demonstrate some of the most common things you might do with FlashSystem.ai. First, we'll have it make a list of all the volume groups. The list is generated, but it seems we need more space. Let's expand the chat window. Next up, we will enter a prompt to take care of three things at once. We'll ask the AI agent to create a new volume group on device demo SP with 4 50GB volumes. In the same prompt, we'll command it to map those volumes to the chosen server. We'll also ask it to apply an existing DR policy to those freshly created volumes. The FlashSystem.ai agent begins executing the request and gives status along the way. Whenever the agent has to create or modify the FlashSystem configuration, it pops up an approval request. With humans in the loop, you give explicit permission to reject, allow for the entire session, or allow only once. The agent continues to execute the request, and as each new create or modify action occurs, a new approval request pops up. Once the agent has completed the task, the AI agent produces a result summary. Let's take a look at the dashboard and confirm that the agent has completed the requested tasks accurately. There is a lot more to come as more functionality is added in future releases of the FlashSystem.ai agent. Thanks for watching. Look for our other demos of FlashSystem.ai coming soon.